In this video, we're presenting a sample courtroom scene, just for your understanding and learning. Let's take a look.
This court is now in session. The case before us is the State versus Mark Stone. The defendant is charged with assault against Miss Emily Carter. Prosecution, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. The state will prove that Mr. Stone intentionally assaulted Miss Carter, causing physical and emotional harm. We will present medical evidence and eyewitness testimony.
Your Honor, my client maintains his innocence. Miss Carter's injuries were accidental, and we will demonstrate reasonable doubt in the prosecution's claims.
Prosecution, call your first witness.
The state calls the victim, Miss Emily Carter, to the stand. Miss Carter, please describe what happened on the night of June 10th.
Mark, Mr. Stone, got angry during an argument at a party. He shoved me against a wall and punched me. I fell and hit my head, suffering a concussion and bruises.
Did anyone witness this?
Yes, my friend Sarah saw everything.
Miss Carter, you admitted you were arguing. Could you have fallen during the confrontation?
No. He hit me deliberately.
You'd been drinking that night. Could that have affected your memory?
I had one drink. I remember exactly what happened.
Prosecution, call your next witness.
We call Dr. Lisa Nguyen, who treated Miss Carter's injuries. Dr. Nguyen, what did your examination reveal?
Ms. Carter's injuries, a concussion, fractured wrist, and patterned bruising, are consistent with assault, not a simple fall.
Doctor, could these injuries have resulted from a car accident or falling downstairs?
The bruising suggests blunt force trauma, like a punch.
Defense, call your witness.
We call the defendant, Mr. Mark Stone. Mr. Stone, did you assault Miss Carter?
No, we argued, but I never touched her. She tripped.
Mr. Stone, witnesses say you were shouting at her. Why were you so angry?
It was a personal disagreement, but I didn't hurt her.
You must decide if the prosecution proved guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. Mr. Stone, you are remanded for sentencing. Court is adjourned.
Let's dive into the essential parts of a courtroom, what they do and why they're important. People in the courtroom. 1. Judge. Presides over the court, ensures legal procedures are followed, and makes rulings on objections, sentencing, and, in bench trials, verdicts. 2. Prosecutor. Represents the state, government in criminal cases, presenting evidence against the accused. 3. Defense attorney. Represents the accused, defendant, argues for their innocence or reduced charges. 4. Defendant. The person accused of a crime in criminal cases or being sued in civil cases. 5. Plaintiff. The party who brings a lawsuit in civil cases. 6. Jury. A group of citizens who decide the verdict in a trial based on evidence in jury trials. 7. Witness. Someone who provides testimony under oath about what they saw or know. 8. Bailiff. Maintains order in the courtroom, escorts defendants, and assists the judge. 9. Court reporter. Records every word spoken during proceedings for official transcripts. 10. Clerk of court. Manages court records, swears in witnesses, and handles administrative duties. Physical elements in the courtroom. 11. Bench. The elevated desk where the judge sits. 12. Witness stand. Where witnesses give testimony. 13. Jury box. Seating area for the jury. 14. Counsel tables. Tables where prosecution and defense attorneys sit with their clients. 15. Podium/stand. Where lawyers present arguments or question witnesses. 16. Gavel. Small hammer used by the judge to call for order. 17. Dock. Some courts have a secure area where the defendant sits, common in some countries. Legal terms and procedures. 18. Opening statements. Initial arguments by both sides outlining their case. 19. Direct examination. Questioning a witness by the side that called them. 20. Cross-examination. Opposing attorney questions the witness to challenge their testimony. 21. Closing arguments. Final summaries by both sides before deliberation. 22. Verdict. The jury's, or judge's, decision on guilt or innocence. 23. Sentencing. If guilty, the judge announces the punishment. 24. Objection. A lawyer's protest against improper evidence, questions ruled on by the judge. 25. Subpoena. A legal order requiring someone to testify or produce evidence.